6, TikTok direct message option not showing. If you are under 16, the direct message features won't be available due to TikTok's age restrictions. So if you are over 16 and still facing the issue, you need to simply completely close TikTok app. Tap and hold TikTok and select app info. From this page, select storage uses and tap clear cache. Now you need to check if your TikTok app is up to date. Launch Play Store or App Store, and if there is any updates, tap update and update it to the latest version. Now simply restart your device. Hold the power button on your device and you need to swipe towards restart. Sometimes restarting your device will fix different kinds of glitches on your device. And after that, your TikTok DM option not showing issue will be fixed. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.